Hey everyone, welcome back. So yesterday someone asked me to make a really basic tutorial on how to install and start your first project in Unity. So we are going to do that step by step in this video. First things first, open up your web browser and type Unity and go to unity.com. In here you want to click on Get Started and it should take you to this page where you want to choose individual, and now we choose personal or free. Click on Get Started and it will take you to this page. And now if you have ever used Unity before, you will go with returning users, but in this tutorial we are going to do the first time users. So click Start here and it will give you terms, agree and download, and it will download Unity Hub. Click on the installer and it will take a second. Allow it to make changes to this computer, and the Unity Hub installation should start. Agree to their terms and choose a path for your installation. You will need a lot of space, around 20 gigabytes of space, so make sure to have that before you install. When it's done, click on Finish with Run Unity Hub checked and wait for it to open. It takes you here where you can choose a path for your Unity installation, and it says you need 9.3 gigabytes of disk space, and you will probably need more. Now I have 54 gigabytes, so I'm good. Just click install. It will ask you again to allow a program to make changes to this computer, and again you say yes, and it will ask you to create Unity ID. Now if you don't have a Unity ID, you will create it here. I already have Unity ID, so I will just log in. I will type in my information and click sign in. And it will ask you to select microgame. Now it says enter name and select a microgame for your first project. You can name it anything. Let's name it my first game. And it will ask you if you want it to be a FPS, karting, platformer, or empty 3D project. And those three contain some assets and tutorials, and I will go with empty 3D project. Just click continue. So now we just wait for download to be completed. While we wait for Unity to complete installation, I want to say I really appreciate the support I'm getting. I really love doing this, and I will continue making videos and tutorials. Later on today I will upload another devlog about my game. I was working on a main menu design and I've got a name for a game, so I hope you'll like it. By the end of the installation, it will automatically install .NET Framework. Just let it do it and wait. And there it is, the installation is completed and you can launch Unity. It will take a few moments to load, especially for the first time. Now open your Unity Hub. You can find it here among shortcuts, or if it's not here, it's among your desktop icons. So open it and it will take you here. your projects in Unity. You will have no projects since you just downloaded Unity. Just click New and it will open up this window for a project creation. It will ask you for your project name and location where it will be saved. It will also ask you if you want a 2D project or 3D project. Let's go with 2D project. Let's name it new project. You can name it whatever you like. And for location, you want to find a path where your Unity is installed. It's C program files and find Unity. Actually, Unity Hub. Let's make a new folder and name it projects, and let's save our projects there. So click create and it will open Unity Engine. And there it is, your Unity Engine project. Here you have a scene, your game display, your camera, hierarchy. This is where you will create your objects for the game. Here you have a project with your assets and scenes. And I suggest you to play around with Unity Engine, especially if you're first time using it. Just try to create objects, try to play with them, see what a different thing does. Add them components like rigid body, box colliders, and see how they act when you click play. I am planning to create tutorials on all of those components that you can use in Unity Engine, so stay tuned, and until then, have fun with game development. That's it. See ya.